Kube. Hello guys, this is me Vivan. Uh, Cubes. Uh, I haven't uploaded for a really long time, as you know. It's because I wanted to change my because I want to change from a gaming YouTuber to a cubing YouTuber. So two cubes came in the package. Two. That's the amount of fingers I'm holding. So let's start with the first one. And of course, I got from Cublello. So let's open this one first. It's a square one. I actually don't have a square one at the moment, so this is my first one. Let's just open it up. I suck at opening packages, as you can see. I'm gonna try opening with this extremely long scissors, guys. Do not try this at home. Very bad idea.
One eternity later.
Let's see, bro. And there we go. I got it out of its packaging. Don't need the packaging at all. Okay. How do we open this? We slide this. Okay. It's like a GAN packaging, but you just slide that. Oh, okay. Yo, my first square one I've ever had. I want to keep. I want this packaging. I want it like this. I am gonna be strong. Is my camera okay? Yeah, but it's okay. It's totally fine. Knife. Yes, this is knife. This is not a scissors, an extremely big scissor. This is a knife. All of you shall refer this as a knife. Oh, Sandy. I think this is how you move a square one. Just for you to keep in mind, this is my first square one. Oh, are you guys seeing this at the moment? Yo, this is actually kind of cool. Oh, I like the square one. I like square ones. My new favorite cubes. Yo. And this is the MCG square one, if you want to know. My friend said if I want to buy a square one, I should buy the MCG. Then there we have handsome fella, bro. What is this? Black pieces? I can replace it with these black pieces. That's nice. I'll need this. You kidding me? Okay, so how to solve square one? I'll be needing that. Wait, hope you can read Chinese. Just kidding, there's an English side, I think. So this is the manual. I think we can change this. I don't think so we can change it. But this is such a sandy feel, bro. I do not like it. There's no lubricant inside. Luckily I do have myself lubrication. My personal recommendation for lubricant is Hurricane. Because it's my favorite, and I opened from the wrong side. Here we go. I'll just put a generous amount in here. Yours. Okay, I think I put it. I think I put it. Put. Okay, here's some hurricane right here, and a little bit hurricane right here, and that's a good amount of hurricane. That's a generous amount. Now let me just break it in, as we call it. Oh, the corner cutting snaps. Nice corner cutting, NGL. Let me just do this without shuffling it, for God's sake. There's still a bit of lubrication outside. Let's just spread a little bit. It's slowly getting rid of the little sand, of the disgusting sandy feel. Yo. Okay, so this is the MCG square one. Pretty good. This is a magnetic square one. It's a little bit heavy. It has really good corner cutting for a square one. I think, I don't know, I don't do square one. I think this is okay. And on the mail we got another cube which I do not know how to solve.